Talkpal vs Langua. Let's start with Talkpal. Talkpal is a multilingual AI tutor offering real-time chat, role-play, debate, and simulated phone call experience in over 55 languages. As you can see here, currently it's over 57 languages available, has 3 million users, and over 300 plus unique experience. So it offers a multi-language and engaging modes and fluency practice, which is very easy to use. Now, Langua, on the other hand, offers a focused AI platform with 23 languages, emphasizing dialogue fluency, contextual feedback, and natural-sounding voice chats built by language educators. So it offers realistic and accurate interactions, effective at B1 plus level English pronunciation, and equality feedback and vocab tools. So in conclusion, choose Talkpal if you want a fun, multi-language platform to practice conversational, fluency, and spoken confidence English. And choose Langua if you want a more accurate, realistic AI tutor with quality grammar explanations.